Hey, good morning, guys. Let's go over Dogecoin. A lot of you guys have suggested that we do Dogecoin videos, so we're going to do that today. We're going to take a look at what kind of pumps we could see in the market soon based off historical data of where we've seen the price this place before. So we're going to do that. All right, guys, quick update. If you guys have followed me for a while, you guys know we do this in the beginning of the videos here. Currently at 100 for 100 wins here. We're just waiting for, the market to come back a little bit where we had a buy limit hit on Avalanche. And so that will probably be our next win or maybe even Matic. So I'll keep you guys updated. In the second half of the video, I'll show you guys exactly how you can get over here and start trading with us. I do believe we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube for cryptocurrency trades. And I'll just keep showing you guys how we're doing this and keeping everything transparent. So second half of this video, I'll show that to you guys. Let's get into Dogecoin and start looking at some predictions here. Let's start here. I like to come in here. I was literally just on this chart this morning. I was looking at this before I started, recording this video with you guys. What has happened with price structure when we've come down to this level before? Now, if we look at this, now I'm going to take into the matter of like everything, the drop in the beginning and everything since then. So here's some just forecasts we can possibly see ourselves, maybe seeing someday. And we could actually see another pump back up here. It's called the second move of the psychology of a market cycle. And I'm going to show that to you guys today. This is why I've still been bullish on Dogecoin for quite a while, even though it's just been kind of not doing too much lately. Okay, 329% pump. Around this area, you guys can see the white line. That's currently where the price is at. So these are all relevant. 72% pump. 114% pump, 73% pump. Averaging these out, you can see we're about 75%. This is kind of the anomaly that we have, but around a 75% pump is what we could possibly be seeing based off what price action has done in the past. Now, I know a lot of other factors go into that, but let's give ourselves an idea of what 75% would look like if we came out from the current price we moved up. That would put us at the price of right around about 30 cents for Dogecoin. Okay, let's just keep that in the back of our minds that we could be seeing somewhat of a 75% pump come. I do not think Dogecoin is gone forever. I do not think that whatsoever. I know a lot of people are like, Dogecoin is gone because it's just, there's no practicality to it. Well, Elon Musk still tweets about it, and if he makes some practicality to it, we could see something really nice happen. All right, guys, let's review the trend dashboard, the price to swell money flow, and the trend exhaustion. These are the indicators. You guys have literally less than 48 hours to get these, and the prices are going to be going up. The bundle pack, you will never be able to get these indicators for this price again. This is the lowest I will ever have them, and then I'll stop talking about this so much on the videos. Just want to let you guys know. Okay, if you're into shorting, okay, let me just talk about the short guys out there. Guys, we don't short on this channel, we only go long. But if you guys are into shorting, and if you just look for when the trend exhaustion is in the top red section, and you have the well money flow, which is the green line up here at the top, you guys, this is not a bad place to look to take some short trades in the market. If you've been looking at this, because I know a lot of people are using our indicators for this. I got you $20,000 with this. We have people doing tens of thousands of dollars. Obviously, their accounts are a little bit bigger, but if you look at this and you just look to see when the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section and the well money flow is high, what we're seeing is nice drops back down in the market, and people are actually able to do really well on short trades lately. So I don't teach those to you guys on this channel because we only do long trades, but I just wanted to point this out to you guys to say, you know what, if you're into that and you know how to short trade, this is a very, very good setup here that you guys can have, which basically will just tell you, hey, when's the best time to short? Right around these areas. It's exactly when the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section and the price for swell money flow, the green line, moves to the top. I'm showing you guys a few here of what the price action happened when we came up to these areas, and it holds very, very true all the way down here. It's also how we were able to call this crash over here when we pushed in the top red section here, just about to the top red section, well money flow up here, and we saw the price extended here. That's a great place to look for a drop, and then we saw it right here. Basically, if you're coming out here and you're counting these drops in the market, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and even on this one over here, the 12th call was actually just a few days ago, which we actually called this out on Bitcoin Ethereum for this drop. So 12 drops in a row looking for short trades. That's not too bad, because here's the thing is that we could have started heading up in any one of these, but the fact that the market kept heading down, at least giving you guys some profit, is great. Question you guys are going to have is, well, if we start shorting, where do we know how to actually, buy back our short? Is pretty much how it is. It's a little bit confusing when you short. When the trend exhaustion is at the bottom, Well, look at what happens when it's at the bottom here. This is when the prices are starting to move back up. This is when the prices are starting to move back up here. And look at what happened this morning. If you guys followed the videos I did the last 24 hours on Bitcoin, Ethereum, you guys saw us say when we got down to the bottom red section, well, money flow is low. We're looking for the move back up. And that's what we're starting to see today. And that's what I was calling out on last night's video. If you guys were able to see that, is most likely we could head down further, but the indicators are looking more bullish last night. And that's why we're seeing this pump up in the market today, which is looking very good. Just showing you guys the sheer accuracy of these. There's a reason why we have never lost a crypto trade on YouTube, on our channel ever. And I'm trading with you guys. Like literally I have $100,000 here with you guys that I'm trading, and we've never lost a trade. I've never lost a trade. It's with these indicators, our risk management, and our metrics. Let's go over the metrics right now, and I want to show you guys something. Can we quickly just look at this? And I want to give you guys a forecast with the resources page on the website. I'm going to fly through this. This is what's called the psychology of a market cycle. This is great. This is better. Okay, this was down here by Phil Deltalytics. Okay, I want to give him full credit for this. Here is what's called the psychology of a market cycle using what's already happened with Bitcoin. Okay, what we see is a nice impulsive phase followed by a basically a nice support that's formed here. This support here, guys, does this look anything like the Dogecoin support over here? I think it does. Look at that support line that it's formed. And what has happened recently, if you guys come over here and look at this like this, sorry, I'm going to try to draw it a little bit better. What happened here is we started to come out here and we started to shelf off and then we broke down. That shelf off phase was this phase right here, in my opinion, right there. And then we came down here and we started to hit into what's called the anger phase. And then you start hitting depression. And then you have what's called a disbelief rally. I do think Dogecoin is due for a disbelief rally from where we're currently at. Look at where the price is at, okay? This has already happened. And this is what they call a psychology of a market cycle. The second move of the psychology of a market cycle, which if this does happen, if we simply take a look at what happened with Bitcoin, we came up and hit at minimum 50% retracement back up on the original run. So if we look at this and we take a look at what happened with Dogecoin at the high here and we call it round to 75 cents, if we come down here in the middle, let's actually pull a Fibonacci on this so we can get some actual great, accurate predictions here. We'll take the top and we'll take the low here. We're just going to look at something like this. Okay. Looking at a 50% retracement from the top to the bottom, that puts us right around this area of about 40 cents. So 40 cents would be very nice. Obviously, everybody would be in the profit, and I think a lot of people would be very happy. So that's not unrealistic. I think as this matures and we go out, for years and years to come, this could easily pass the all-time high. People have already been casting out predictions over $1. I've seen them on YouTube, and people are already talking about 2022 being a crazy year for all of the altcoins. So we'll see what happens. Let's now go over some actual data today, not like future stuff. I wanted to show that to you guys because it is possible that can happen. Let's go over some data based off today so we can give ourselves some more ideas of what we can see in the short term, okay? 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all the metrics will update here. We're going to fly through these and then I'll show you guys how to get into our next trades. All right. Very interesting things have been happening with Dogecoin lately if you've been watching this, and the metrics have been calling it perfectly. The indicators are doing such an amazing job, but the metrics are doing a great job as well. We saw a lot of the market pushed up into the excited and the greedy section here for Dogecoin. What happened here was a lot of people were thinking the whole market's like, oh my gosh, we're just now going up. Didn't you guys feel it? Like, be honest. Didn't you guys feel like on Bitcoin and Ethereum, the market started heading up and we all were like, oh, we may actually start making some good money here. And then it just starts crashing back down. Well, the reason why it wasn't, taking me by shock or anything is that we all see these metrics over here. When the market gets very greedy over here, wells and institutions are going to short your guys' trades every single time. I will keep you guys on the right side of the market. A lot of you guys ended up, I say a lot of you guys, but knowing from historical, traders that I've worked with, when the market starts going up, a lot of people start FOMOing into this and they're holding the bag down here and they're not doing great. Look, we're down at the moment at 29%, okay? So I'm not trying to say anything bad about anybody. What I'm trying to say is this can help us predict this a little bit better when we're looking into the future. Look at this, something very interesting, which is actually bullish for all of us to be looking at, regardless of the position you are in, because I know mostly everybody's down like an incredible amount on Dogecoin right now. Like everybody. I don't know anybody who's up on Dogecoin actually. There's a few people in our we took a 20% win over here, which was awesome if you guys followed the channel. If you guys got into trades over here on the dip and then you guys were actually able to exit with the trend exhaustion up here, you guys did very well. So we do have traders that are consistently winning over here. I'm just going to continue to manage the trade that we originally got into on the drop over here and just keep things transparent. So I'll show you guys how to access the new buy limits. Because seriously, actually, let me say this real quick. This is very important. If you guys have new money to put in the market, you guys can start taking the buy limits that are going to be coming out. There's 4 buy limits that are going to be below the current price. Once that first buy limit's hit and the trend exhaustion pushes in the top right section, you guys need to start looking to take some profit. I'll also show you how to access the sell limit so you guys can make some money on this. Because seriously, new money that you can put in here. This is a very good time to be buying Dogecoin, by the way. And I have about $5,000 to $6,000 still sitting in Dogecoin to pick up entries at a lower price. All right, I'll show that to you guys in a second here. Look at this, however. This is bullish for us. What happened here was a very bullish pattern. Long trades increased, short trades decreased. This happened on the drop back down, and this has been happening as of yesterday. So guys, this is happening right now. What we're seeing is short trades are getting out of the way, and long trades are increasing on the blockchain for Bitfinex Dogecoin. This is a bullish sentiment here where we could start seeing this price starting to move back up very nicely. Like, look at where we're currently at. Okay, here's another thing I want to tell you guys. People are like, oh, this is going to go away. Guys, we've been here 5 times before, 6 times. Like, we have recovered from this. This has been a nice recovery. This has been a nice recovery. This has been a nice recovery, okay? So a 73 to 75% pump in the market will most likely put almost everybody back into the positive. Go ahead, get rid of Dogecoin after that if you want. I don't think you should, but what I'm saying, guys, is this thing isn't over. All it's going to require is patience. That's it. That's all it's going to require, and it's not that hard. I'll show you, and I'm with you guys, and I'll prove it to you. Okay, I'm not selling my positions. I'm going to buy more if it goes lower. Long or short trade risk. We can see down here that we're sitting in the good long trade section here. This makes total sense. Now, look at what happened with well and institutional smart money over here. While you guys were seeing all the retail traders come up here, while you were seeing retail traders get very, excited, and we didn't exactly get pushed into the greedy section, but we got very close up here to the actually showing the overall market for Dogecoin getting greedy. When people are greedy and excited, I'm telling you guys, whales and institutions are going to short you guys out here, and they're going to take all of your profits. Okay. Whenever you guys see the majority of people online, all your friends are talking to you, they're like, hey, Dogecoin's going up. It's going to go to the moon. Look at my accounts. Look at this, look at that. That is the time where I'm selling my long trades. And I prove it to you guys on every single video here when we're selling. We are selling when a lot of the market is excited and when they are greedy, okay? If you guys saw this here, this came out with a bunch of short trades and the market tanked right after that. Look at this. Like, okay, we're going to buy long trades. Boom, this thing shoots up because Elon Musk says he's going to accept Dogecoin for some of his merchandise, okay? And then what happens? Short trades immediately come out in the market and crush everybody who went up here. Yeah, our traders made 20% on this and we did great. So, and that was awesome. But what I'm trying to explain to you guys is, look what's happening now. Now that we're seeing the move back down, everyone's getting, fearful again because they're losing their trades. And now what's happening is smart money's coming in there buying the anxiety and the fear of retail traders. Guys, this is the reason if you've ever sat behind the computer and you're like, why can I never win a trade? It's because you're trading emotionally. I guarantee it, guys. I'm going to try to come out with a master course this next year, teaching you guys how to master emotions and risk management. I think I have a good grasp on it, trying to prove to you guys that we've never lost a trade. So I think you're going to really enjoy that. So I'll announce it next year sometime. I'm still working on it. But if you guys can start following this metric here, you're going to really, really do yourself a lot of favors, okay? This metric is available for every single one of our coins up here. So that's how you guys can stay on top of the markets. All right, let's go over this and let's get you guys into some new coins for this year to come. Support and resistance prices, greatest level of resistance is sitting at 20 cents, okay? Greatest level of support is at 16. So we're going to look at 16 cents and we're going to look at 20 cents. 16 cents is structure low down here. That's what we've pretty much bounced off of. And then 20 cents is up here. So what I'm expecting is this. We really need to stay above 16 cents. If 16 cents is broken, guys, this is going to look for a move back down. Like I said on the previous videos, guys, we're looking at both sides on this channel. If you just come out and I just tell you guys what I think what we should see and just make you all feel peachy and warmy inside, that we're just going to keep heading up, that's just foolish and that's not good wisdom. It's not good analysis. Yes, based off historical data, we could be seeing a 75% pump here coming. That's what we've seen, or even higher, actually. But let's assess the other side of the equation. If this is broken here at about 16 cents, the next catch point is at structure low, which is wick value low, and that's down here at like 12 cents. Okay, so we could be in for, let's just give ourselves an accurate prediction here. We could be in for about a drop about 20%, 20 to 21% if 16 cents is broken. So what you need to do is check to see how much cash you have in your exchange right now. What is your cash balance? I'm at about 40% cash, roughly $40,000, okay? I'm ready for the drop. Are you ready in case we have a drop? That's what you need to be assessing today, okay? Let's keep going through here real quick. Dollar cost average entries. You guys have been able to take every single one of these if you're following the channel. Great job for those of you guys who are. You guys are able to take these and you're riding it for the long run. Guys, look at where we're at. Can I just I want to wake people up. I wish I could just be like, come on, guys. All right, do you see where we've come from? And obviously, this is only at 32 cents. We've been at 75, so you can double this on top of it. Look at where we're currently at in the price. I think it's time to be buying some Dogecoin, guys. This is some very good moments to be buying because we may not go down too much further than this. You guys may look into 2022 and say, man, there was never a better time to buy Dogecoin than right now. Obviously, if you guys got in back here, that's fantastic. You can't go back in time. So some of you guys are going to kick yourselves because you're like, man, I'm just getting so frustrated every single day. You're wasting emotional energy by getting frustrated every day. What you should be doing is looking for ways to maybe get some more money in the market to buy the dips in case and when this goes up. That is exactly what I'm doing because I personally don't think cryptocurrency is going away. Okay, look at here with the exit points. This called a great exit here, great exit here, great exit here, showing us that we could be seeing drops. An amazing call here, amazing call there, an amazing call here. Okay, let's go over now and I'll show you guys how to actually get into our membership. We'll actually I'll show this to you guys real quick. I don't know if I showed this to you guys. I don't know if I've done a Dogecoin video on this, but we had a guy do $6,000 over here in the bear market with our metrics and indicators. Pretty amazing. $7,000 between ADA and Mana over here. This guy does $2,200. We have another guy down here who does, he did really well, 12% profit here with the indicators, $8,000 in one single day with the Mana trade. I was in that trade with you guys as well. That was ridiculous. $8,000 to $5,000 here. He's like, I'm making it roughly about $8,000 to $5,000 a month. He's like joking, saying it's not a livable wage in Florida, but a lot of you guys, if you were able to trade to $8,000 to $5,000 a month, that would be a lot of money. That could replace your jobs. I'm really going to try to push us into this next year of teaching everybody how to trade for a living. So it's just been fun to see what everyone's been able to do in here. Yeah, we have some higher rolls in here. $2,300 in one single day with the two indicators: price versus well, money flow, and trend exhaustion. Those are the indicators you guys need to get because those are the ones that are going to be going up in price. Okay, I'll show that to you guys. Here's the membership. You guys can join me right now. All of the trade calls, you're going to get access to every single entry, all the exits, all the metrics, and the Telegram channel to get me as a one-on-one coach, guys. It's $49 a month. Make sure you guys set this up today. We are going to be looking to up the price of this in the first quarter of next year, okay? So make sure you guys snag that today and set that up. When it goes up in price, I'll grandfather everybody in, so do not worry about this price going up on you. You guys can keep it at $49 a month forever, even if it goes up to $100 to $200. Okay, that'll give you access to all the metrics, and this is where I want you guys to pay attention to this morning. It is the live trade section here. This is where every single one of our live trades are called out, and this is how we've entered every single one of the 100 trades on this channel. Okay, follow me real quick. We're obviously talking about Dogecoin, so you guys need to actually click in right here. So you guys need to click this link just as I'm going to click the Bitcoin link right here. You guys are going to see three things on the chart. Price action is going to be in white. You guys are going to see buy limits in yellow, and you're going to see the sell limits in green. All right, let's dive into this, shall we? 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is going to update, which you guys will see in about an hour and 15 minutes. Okay, what you're going to do, guys, is pick the amount that you want to trade. It doesn't matter. I know there's a lot of people new to this channel, and you guys are like, I only have $100. That's totally fine. It does not matter. Choose the amount you want to trade each of our coins with and split that amount into 4 equal portions. In this example, 1,000 divided by 4 is 250. Then place that 25% at each buy limit. So 250, 250, 250, 250. All the buy limits should be placed in the exchange at the exact same time. Okay, I literally was just working with Josh yesterday, as one of our employees, and he set trade us up for Matic. So that was really awesome. Like, my employees all trade this strategy as well. We all trade this as a team, guys. That's why, like, when you have a whole team that actually uses all the products and trades the strategy and has their own real money on the line, that's why our team is so good at answering emails for you guys and giving you guys feedback. It's because we literally have our skin in the game, every single one of us. It's not a recommendation. It's a requirement that, if you guys work, I don't want to say, people are going to send me resumes again. We're not hiring, by the way, but if you work over here, you have to have money in the game. You have to know how to trade this, and you have to trade with your own money. So it's really cool that we all are able to do that. Okay, once you guys set up all your buy limits, just like we do, make sure you guys leave them all at the same spot. Now, once the first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to set a sell limit up here for 100% in your exchange. This is in case we shoot up overnight and the market just goes up berserko. You want to take some money out. Before we hit the sell limit, most likely I'm going to call an exit for everybody in the Telegram channel. All right, here's what you guys need to pay attention to. You need to sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first. And then once you guys do that, you can come over here and click this link. It's called the Telegram channel here. That will give you a hot link over into the Telegram channel where you guys are able to join us. And we've gone up probably about, 100 subscribers here in the last, 48 hours or so. People are understanding that we're not losing trades. And I thank you guys so much for all the kind comments you're leaving in the YouTube channel. I'm trying to teach you guys and give you more education in the last few videos. I don't know if you've noticed that, but I'm trying to give you more education, not just talk about the same thing every day, okay? Ending this video here, you guys want to get the indicators. I'm going to be showing you guys more things coming out with indicators in this next year. The bundle pack, you have less than 48 hours before this bundle pack goes away as far as the discount. Right now, you guys can get 84% off all of our indicators. Click this link right here. Today, seriously, tomorrow it goes, this price is going to go up tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow the sale is going to end and you guys are going to see the prices go up. When you click this at checkout, enter coupon code Christmas. Capitalize it or lowercase it does not matter. You're going to get an extra $50 off the listed price with this coupon code. And then, like I said, in 2 days, basically you can call it a day and a half, you're less than 48 hours, you guys will see the price go up $50. Now, at minimum, if you guys want to join me, you need to get the price for swell money flow, the trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard, okay? These are the 3 indicators that I'm using on every single analysis, and I've shown this to you guys of how we're able to predict the market drops and tops. The last 14 calls have been called for crypto drops on Ethereum. 14, okay guys? And I showed you guys the last 9 calls called on Dogecoin. This was the 9th and the 10th call on Dogecoin looking for this drop back down. That's exactly what we got. Not only that, we're seeing that when we got to the bottom red section, it did call the pump back up. These are the most accurate indicators you guys can receive. I'm serious about that. I coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers 2 years ago. That's how I made my living. I will be honest with you guys. We've never been able to code indicators better than this. And if you guys have been following me, we just actually did a recode on these 2 indicators less than 2 weeks ago, which we made them even more accurate. And the trend exhaustion, if you guys saw the beginning of the video, if you stuck around this long, you guys saw when I said when you get to the top red section, you guys can look for shorts if you want, or when you get to the bottom red section, we see pumps. There are alerts coded into the trend exhaustion here that you guys can set up, and you guys just need to come over here, literally click this link right here and watch the video, and you'll see how to set up alerts. What you guys get is insane value. So you want to get these 3 at minimum. Pay a few extra dollars today. It's literally hardly anything. And you guys get the bundle pack and you're going to get these 3 plus 6 for a total of 9 indicators with the bundle pack here. And this price will never be lower than this again. It's never going to be lower than this again. I want to just make that very clear. Literally, you guys have 1 day left on Friday to get these before the prices go back up. So make sure you guys snag that, all right? So, real quick, if you have ever purchased any individual indicators from us, any individual ones, send me an email today at btradeconfident@gmail.com. We'll give you guys a PayPal invoice for the difference, and I'll let you guys snag the whole bundle pack to get the rest of the indicators, and you only pay the difference for this. If you purchase 2 indicators, that's totally fine. We don't care. Tell us which indicators you purchased. We'll look it up. We'll give you guys a PayPal invoice and pay the difference, and we'll give you guys the bundle pack before this goes up in price. I'm not going to force you guys to pay the bundle pack deal to get all the indicators if you've already purchased some. Just tell me what you've purchased. Email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com at the bottom of this page on the indicators, and you guys can go ahead and get the bundle pack with the huge discount without paying more, okay? Good news, you guys do not need a paid TradingView account to use our indicators. You can load up to 3 indicators for free on a free TradingView chart, which is exactly what I use, is 3 indicators. All right, guys, I want to wrap this video up now because I want to come out with 2 more videos today for you guys, but make sure you guys are watching this. Please stay hopeful. Check your emotions right now. Check your emotions and check your cash. Make sure you guys have some cash set up in the market for your Dogecoin trades and you've got some money over here, but watch the indicators, guys. Now, watch this. I'm going to be honest with you guys. If this pushes up into the top red section here, not if, when it does, and this pushes up even higher, I am going to be looking for another drop back down on Dogecoin. I'll be honest, guys, like we're not there yet, but if we start heading up here, I will be looking for a drop back down. The crucial point that we cannot head below is 16 cents. We really need to stay above 16 cents. Do you guys remember what the percentage was earlier? It was 21 to 22% drop we could be seeing. If 16 cents is broken, we're looking at a move back down to 12 cents. That is going to be a little scary. So do you have cash in the market to withstand a 20% drop on Dogecoin? That's what you need to check. And you guys can monitor this with the indicators. So make sure you guys get the indicators before those go up in price. You have literally less than 48 hours, either one day left. That's the best way to describe it. So you guys basically have 1 day left for this, okay? Because they're going up tomorrow. About 1.5 days if you count today, okay? Get the indicators before they go up. Make sure you guys get the membership over here because we're going to be raising this price as well next year. And make sure you guys are getting into the buy limits, because if you have new cash you want to enter the market with, the same chart I showed you over here is on every single one of our coins, where you guys can get in right now and get some trades over here and start making some wins. And then join in the Telegram channel once you guys have your membership over here, and I'll keep the videos and the analysis coming. God bless you guys so much. It has been so fun to work with you guys in 2021, and I am so excited to move into 2022 with you guys to teach you new things that I've learned and just keep on growing with you guys and keep growing the accounts. Let's see if we can hit 110 for 110 wins in the month of January. That's the current goal, and the goal is going to be 200 for 200 wins in the year of 2022. So let's do this, guys. Get pumped, get the indicators, get the membership. I'll see you guys in the next video. Everything you need is in the description, and I'll see you guys later. God bless. Bye-bye, guys.